Students, this video is the continuation of the last video where we have studied degree of comparison. In the last video, I taught you basic how to identify positive, comparative and superlative degree. Then after that, I taught you how to convert from positive to comparative degree. In today's video, we will study how to convert from comparative to positive. Students, actually this is very easy. This comparative to positive is the vice versa what we have studied in last video. So let's write the structure of comparative degree. It begins with subject plus helping verb plus er then plus object. So this is the structure of comparative degree. And how you will convert into positive degree? Object will come here plus helping verb plus not. We will convert this er then into as plus subject. Okay, let's take an example. Comparative degree. Asia is larger than Australia. Asia is larger than Australia. So this is my comparative degree. Let us analyze it. Asia is subject, is helping verb, larger than is my comparative degree, and Australia is object. So let's see how it converts. Positive degree. Australia will come here. Australia. It is singular, so I'll use is. Australia is. Now put not. Larger than will turn into as large as, and Asia will come over here. So see student, I have converted comparative degree into positive degree. Don't you see it is a similar what we have studied yesterday, positive to comparative? I told you it's actually a vice versa of positive to comparative. Let's take one more example. Iron is more useful than copper. Okay, so here you can see iron is subject, this is helping verb, more useful than it's my comparative degree, and copper is object. So let's see the transformation. Positive degree, copper will come here, is not, cancel more than and use as useful as iron. Okay, so this is what we have done comparative to positive. Now student, what if not comes in comparative degree? So students, when you see not in comparative degree, so do not use not in positive degree. Suppose comparative, iron is not more useful than copper. So as I have used not here, if I use not here, so I will remove not from here. Here there was no not, that is why I use not over here. So please do not forget this rule. Now students, we will see a different type of comparative degree. Now students, let's see this structure. This is also comparative degree, type of comparative degree. Now you can see it has started with subject plus helping verb plus er then plus any other plus object. In previous examples of comparative degree, I used two specific comparison, Asia, Australia, iron, copper. But here student, one will be specific, but another will not be specific. And this type of comparative degree, you will see any other in that sentence. And when you see any other in comparative degree, and if you are told to change into positive degree, see that whenever you see any other in positive degree, begin positive degree with no other. Once again, I tell you, students, in this type of comparative degree, you will see any other. And if you see any other in comparative degree, so begin positive degree with no other. You can see I have highlighted these two. See, let's take an example. Comparative. Manmohan Singh is greater than any other economist. Now we will analyze this sentence. Manmohan Singh is greater than any other economist. As I told you, if you see the sentence is in comparative degree and it has any other in it, so begin positive degree with no other. No other economist. No other economist is, ER then will be removed, is as great as Manmohan Singh. So no other economist is as great as Manmohan Singh. Now let's take another example. Shah Rukh is more popular than any other actor in Bollywood. So students, rule, you have to see that more than comparative degree, any other. So when you see any other in comparative degree, so begin positive degree with no other. So no other actor in Bollywood is, remove this two, as popular as Shah Rukh. As popular as Shah Rukh. Now students, what if many other comes in comparative degree? What if many other? Instead of any other, if comes many other. So please pay attention. If you see many other in comparative degree, so begin positive degree with very few. Begin positive degree with very few. Suppose, let's take this example. Manmohan Singh is greater than many other economists. Now this will become plural. If I use many other over here, so noun, whatever noun that comes after many other will become plural. And then when you see many other in comparative degree, begin positive degree with very few. So we'll start with, instead of no other will come very few economists, plural. Then this will also become plural, are as great as Manmohan Singh. Once again I repeat, I taught you about any other. But what if instead of any other, many other comes? So if you see many other in comparative degree, so begin positive degree with very few. And if you see many other in comparative degree, the noun that comes after many other will be in plural. And when you use very few over here, so this will come plural, so your helping verb will also become plural. So very few economists are as great as Manmohan Singh. Let's come with this second example. Shah Rukh is more popular than many other actors. If I'm using many other over here, So this will become plural. Actors, many other actors in Bollywood. So how I will start positive degree? So instead of no other, I will write very few. So very few actors in Bollywood are as popular as Shah Rukh. So now let's revise it once again. So in this session, I taught you how to convert from comparative to positive. First, I gave you the structure of any other. If you see any other, you will start positive degree with no other. And if you see many other in comparative degree, you will begin positive degree with very few. And whatever necessary changes will be there, I have taught you over here. So whatever query you have, you can ask me. Now we will do superlative to positive. You can see, students, I have written the structure of superlative degree. Superlative degree, here we have two types of superlative degree, where in first type of superlative degree you will see one off, and in second type of superlative degree you will not see one off. So here also we have rule. If you see one off in superlative degree, begin positive degree with very few. So whenever you see one off in superlative degree, you will begin positive degree with very few, then that follows with object plus helping verb, then your the est will change into as, and then plus subject will come over here. Let's take an example. Taj Mahal is one of the most famous monuments. One of the famous monuments. So you can see here, student, this sentence is superlative with the word the and most in the sentence. But apart from that, we can also see one off. So students, if you see one off in superlative degree, you will begin positive degree with very few. So very few monuments. Very few monuments, okay, are. Remove one, remove off, remove the, remove most. Very few monuments are as famous as Taj Mahal. As famous as Taj Mahal. Once again, I teach you, student, we have two types of superlative degree. In one, you will see one off, and in second one, you will not see one off. And if you see one off in superlative degree, so begin positive degree with very few. You can see I have given you this example. Taj Mahal is one of the most famous monuments. So as I saw one off here, I started positive degree with very few. Very few with my object monument. This is my plural, that is why I used are. So very few monuments are. Remove one, remove off, remove the, remove most, and turn famous into as famous as, and then Taj Mahal will come over here. Okay, let's take one more example. Yash Chopra was one of the most talented directors. One of the most talented directors. So you can see, student, here also this superlative degree started with subject, and here we can see one off. Okay, so when you see one off, start positive degree with very few. So very few directors. Very few directors are. Remove one, remove off, remove the, remove most, are as talented as Yash Chopra. Now students, let's see if superlative degree does not have one-off. So students, if you do not see one-off in superlative degree and that degree is superlative, so begin positive degree with no other. Like example, Rohan is the tallest boy in the class. Tallest boy in the class. So you can see, student, that here in this type of superlative degree, there is no one-off. So in this type of superlative degree, positive degree will start with no other. So no other, what? This part will come. No other boy in the class is, cancel this, cancel EST, is as tall as Rohan. As tall as Rohan. So you have seen, student, that if there is no one-off in superlative degree, I started positive degree with no other. So don't get confused, student, when to use very few and when to use no other. So this type one-off type of superlative degree is asked in your board examination. So whenever you see one-off in superlative degree, see that you start positive degree with very few. And if you do not see one-off in superlative degree, start positive degree with no other. So students, here we have completed degree of comparison. Yesterday I taught you positive to comparative. Today we studied comparative to positive and superlative to positive. In these two videos, I have covered those examples which are likely to be asked in board examination. Means such type of examples are asked in the examination by the paper setter. So don't get baffled when it comes. Practice more so that degree, whatever sentence will come on degree of comparison, you should be able to answer it. Thank you for watching my video.